everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. What's new? I have come with a new topic for you. Any guesses? Can anyone tell me what the topic is? The topic is AutoCAD 2007. What is AutoCAD? Now I will introduce you to some basic things about AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design and drafting software application developed and marketed by Autodesk. This software is used for precise 2D and 3D drafting, designing, and modeling with solid surfaces. It assists in the creation, modification, optimization of a design. It is widely preferred in the industries of mechanics, telecom, civil, architectural engineering. I will show you how to make all this design by using AutoCAD 2017 and as usual 2022. And I will also show you how to install this software. So please be with me and support me.